I have a book in my bag. What do you have?
I have a pen in my pocket.
She has a brother at home. What does he have?
She has a sister in the city.
We have a class today. What do they have?
They have a game today.
He has a bicycle. What does she have?
She has a motorbike.
I had a computer last year. What did you have?
I had a mobile phone last year.
They had a shop in the village. What did we have?
We had a farm in the place.
She had a doll in her childhood. What do he have?
He had a dog in his childhood.
I will have an exam tomorrow. What will you have?
I will have a holiday tomorrow.
He will have a meeting next year. What will she have?
She will have a trip next week.
We will have a new house soon. What will they have?
They will have a new house.
I have two friends at school. What do you have?
I have a three friends at school.
She has a bag in her hand. What does he have?
He has a box in his hand.
Okay.